If you like loaded baked potatoes, then you will love my loaded baked potato soup. Let's go. First, we cook our bacon, and then we're gonna use the bacon fat to cook our butter, onions, and garlic, and we're gonna make a roux. We're gonna add our potatoes, chicken stock, and our milk, and we're gonna let that come to a simmer, and we're gonna season. Once our potatoes are cooked, we're gonna add in our loaded baked potato ingredients. So we're gonna add shredded cheese, green onions, sour creams, and bacon. We're gonna cook for another few minutes, and then we're gonna add to a bowl, and we're gonna top with more cheese, sour cream, bacon, green onions, and black pepper.
Have you ever had tomato butter before? Not to be dramatic, but this is my favorite toast combination ever. Mix together tomato paste, butter, black pepper, salt, parm, and then you're gonna smear it all over your ciabatta and bake. Then, as a little tip, replace the water burrata comes in for hot water so it's nice and creamy. Add prosciutto onto the bread, lemon zest, burrata, cut it open, look at that. Olive oil, black pepper, chives, and that is it. Oh, flaky sea salt.
Your new favorite breakfast can be only 25 calories. And here's how you'll do it. Saute a half of an onion and then add in a big handful of spinach. When your spinach is cooked down, put it into 9 muffin tins. Take 1.5 cups of egg whites and spread it evenly over the spinach mixture. And don't forget to spray your pan real well. Give it just a sprinkle of feta cheese and then top it with a tomato. Bake these at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. You can add salt before you bake them, but I like to use Maldon salt afterwards.
This is probably the best pot roast recipe there is. First, we got to brown all sides with salt and pepper. And after we brown it, then we got to remove it and add our fresh veggies, our carrot, celery, fresh garlic, and onion. And we're going to throw in some fresh thyme too and about a cup of red wine. I like Merlot. And after we put the wine in, we got to reduce it for about 5 minutes. After we do that, we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce. We're going to add some soy sauce. And then we're going to add a little oregano. And after we do that, we're going to, continue to let it reduce. And then we're going to put the pot roast back in. And we're also going to add 2 cups. You can either add water or beef stock, but I like beef stock. And we're going to simmer that for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, it's done, but it's still a little tough. We're going to go 1 more hour, baby. And after 1 more hour, look how tender this is. You can eat this with a spoon. So tender, so juicy, delicious. I eat mine with brown rice. Make sure you give it a try and leave a comment. Let me know how it came out. Later.
Another cake I can make in my sleep. Let's make my $1 million pound cake. And there will be a recipe card at the end for you to screenshot. This cake starts off with my traditional cream cheese pound cake recipe. But if you like my 7-Up cake recipe, you can honestly use that for this cake too. Look at that crust, y'all. This cake is beautiful. And what really takes this cake over the top is the old school caramel. And when I say old school, I mean butter, sugar, and carnation evaporated milk. Now all you have to do is let your caramel cool for a few minutes, then pour that warm caramel over your cake, and then top your cake with toffee pieces and chopped pecans. This cake never disappoints. I hope you enjoy it.